Today, we're checking out Digital Twin from HeyGen. Is it revolutionary or just hype? Well, we're about to find out. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment with your thoughts. I always respond. Now let's get started.
Wait, but before we do that, I need to let you in on a little secret. Have you figured it out yet? Yep, this was generated by Digital Twin. Now let's see how it works. All right, well, I haven't been playing around with HeyGen very much, but I thought I saw this video and I had to check it out. So basically, this video is crazy about HeyGen. I have not been a HeyGen user. I think I might have an account, but we're going to have to check this out. So first, let's see what they have to say.
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create realistic videos of yourself using our latest Avatar 4 for Digital Twin model. You may have seen a lot of realistic AI videos on the internet recently, but this is different because this is the first model that lets you authentically digitize yourself so you don't just look like you actually move like you really move in real life. Other AI video models, it might look realistic to a stranger, but anyone who knows you will immediately be able to tell that's not you because your gestures and expressions don't match how you naturally move. And this feels inauthentic to viewers, especially when every video you create, you have a different talking style and personality. And that's why we created Avatar 4 for Digital Twin. This is the first model that actually trains on your video, so it learns how you move, and then when you enter a script, it animates expressively, so your gestures and expressions match what you're saying. Enough talk, let's get started. So the first step is to create our digital twin. And now what we need to do is upload a piece of video footage. And this is what it uses to learn how you actually move.
All right.
So in this case, I have this video recording of myself. Generally 2 minutes of footage is fine. Then you tap next. And then once you submit, we go through quality checks to make sure the footage looks good. Awesome. So my avatar's ready. Now all I need to do is go into Studio, and here I turn on Avatar 4.
All right, enough of that. Let's see if it works. So can I create a digital twin of myself? We shall see. Lucky for me, I have a bunch of footage, so that won't be a hard part. First, I need to log into this thing. I mean, if this works, it'd be really cool. No questions about it. All right, I think I'm logged in. All right, I'm logged in. Avatar 4 just got personal. Try it out. Let's go.
Introducing Avatar 4 for Digital Twin.
We've already seen this. I don't like instructions. Let's go. Use the right equipment. Sure. Okay. I don't want gestures then. So basically you have to pay money for gestures. So we're going to skip that. Upload footage. Chris sample. Hey, it looks just like me. Create ambient sounds. No AI background removal. That's background changes. These are all premium features, so we're not going to do that. 4K. We're not going to do that. Please record a quick video. I think I have to pause this. I'm going to have to stop this in order to do that. So I'll be right back. All right. Well, you're probably wondering what it did there. It took me to a screen where I had to read this consent. I, Chris Stanchak, blah, blah, blah. Allow HeyGen to use footage, and it gave me a passcode. With that passcode, I guess that's how they validate it. But at the bottom here, you see the consent is validated. So the reason I had to pause is because I had to take over the camera and the mic for a second. So anyway, here we go. On to the next step. Your footage looks great. Okay. Is that the one I just did? Okay, I don't know if that's the one I uploaded or if that's my the verification screen. But either way, the video is uploaded. It's uploaded. So it must have been doing that in the background. Now we wait. Your avatar look is being created. Just a few minutes. We'll notify you by email. Should I hit done? I'm going to hit it. We'll see what happens. My avatar is C. Oh, let's call it Chris AI Dude. Okay. By creating an avatar, I confirm over 18. That's me. It's 4%. Oh, it's not ready. It's 4% ready. That's a big difference. Okay, well, I'll let you guys know when it's ready. It should be soon. All right, it's only been a couple minutes, but it's at 54. I'm getting 63. This is getting very exciting. I can't wait. I just noticed at the bottom down here, it lets you like create headshots based on the avatar. So that's pretty cool. So I can like, have me seated in a chic outdoor cafe with a laptop. That would be really cool. So it's basically, I think it's just taking a bunch of shots and then using Nana Banana to make images. I will be using that in the thumbnails. But in the meantime, we're going to wait. 63%. We're almost there. All right. It's done. 100%. I actually was doing something else, so it was not as long as it seemed. But anyway, let's go. I click on this thing. Congrats!
Hey, Chris Stanchak, your digital twin is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Doesn't sound like me. It didn't sound like me. I mean, maybe it sounds like me to you guys, but create with AI Studio. Let's go. And no, I got this. And I think I have to, AI4. Yeah, AI4. Cool. So, all right, here we go. Let's see if it works. I'm going to now, in the meantime, I went over to Claude. I had to have it write me this script, which I'm going to use as the intro of this video. Funny enough, I had to like coax Claude to let me make a script for an AI to pretend like it's me, because like, I can't impersonate somebody. I'm like, well, it's me, and it's for a YouTube video, and this is my YouTube like project, so it should know who I am. Kind of dumb. Type in my script. Paste. All right. What do I do? Generate. It's me. Blah, blah, blah. Generate. Let's see how it does. Here we go. Oops. All right. Let's say YouTube intro. So it's going to do 720p. Obviously, that's not what I would do. I had to pay more for all these extra formats. I could take that off if I pay. Anyway, let's go. Submit. Upgrade to unlock this feature. What feature? This will go 23 seconds over my 15-second avatar limit. Okay, fine. Let's go back here. No, they're pretty good. I'm going to get rid of this. I want the full experiment because. All right, I'll delete this. That should get me to 15 seconds. Generate again. YouTube intro. Calculating usage. See, you get 15 seconds for free. I've tricked it. 6 seconds over my time limit. Okay. I'm going to get rid of this. What's up, founders? Let's just say delete all this. Could be a game changer. Generate. I think I'm under the 15-second limit. 2 seconds. This is just, I mean, I get it. They're trying to make money. Instead of saying what's up, I'll just say, hey, founders. Exclamation point. Generate. This thing's lying. It was 2 seconds and I deleted a bunch, and now it's 3 seconds. Does an exclamation point take more time? All right, let's just say it. I'm testing something completely changed how we think about content creation. Okay. Experiment with the editors, and honestly, the results are wild. Let's just get rid of the word pretty. Copy that. Let's see now. If this doesn't work, I'm going to say, hey, Jen. So it goes 0 seconds over? 0? Can I do it? Ability to create, let's just say, authentic content. Cut a lot of words to try to get 15 seconds. Now, if it adds more time, then we'll know. This will use one of my quotas. Yes. Go. Do it. Submitting. Thinking. I'm not going to do this. Net promoter score right now. Close. 4%. All right. Pause. We'll be back when it's done. We'll see how well it works. All right. It was stuck at 4% forever. Then I refreshed the screen. But here we are. You can see it says YouTube intro 3 minutes ago. So 14 seconds. Let's go. Let's see it. All right. You guys ready? I hope it's good. I really do. Hope it sounds like me. Here we go.
Hey, founders. I'm testing something that could completely change how we think about content creation. I've been experimenting with AI avatars, and honestly, the results are wild. The ability to create authentic content without being on camera 24/7 could be a game changer. Let's get into it.
What do you think? I don't know. I don't think it sounds like me, I'm going to be honest. I gave it good training data. It was like a very good audio recording. Maybe that's what I sound like to everybody else. I wasn't happy with the results of that last recording, so they got me. I've signed up for the premium plan. I want to create a new avatar. I just did new training data, and I want to get the 4K version. I want to be able to pick different voice models. So let's try again. Let's roll. I'm in now. I got this thing training. I've already upgraded, I believe. Right? Yes. Remove background, 4K resolution. Oh. Okay. Well, now this is pretty smart. Let's see what the team cost. Oops, something went wrong. That's no fun. Upgrade to team. Something went wrong. Okay, that doesn't work. Let's go back. Opening a new tab here. Okay. Upgrade. I'm on creator. All right, so they're going to get me at $70. Definitely not doing yearly. Get out of here. Get started. $78 build. User has active subscription. Of course I do. They need to fix this. Okay. Creator. Workspace. I need to find the way to upgrade. How can one upgrade their account? Settings. Subscription. Upgrade to team. Switch monthly. Fine. I'll pay this $78 to make this video. And I might use it. $78 a month, due today, $49, blah, blah, blah. I could always just cancel your upgrading team. Yes, fine. You guys got me. Super frustrating. Payment processing. Do not close. I'm not going to close. Let's roll. All right, so now I can close this thing and go back here. If I go to this, what happens? See it? I got to maybe refresh this. It's probably going to restart the whole thing again. Let's see. All right, fine. Get started. Enable gesture detection. Yes, you can have gestures. Here's my footage. Training. Keep ambient noise. Yes. You get the whole super version. Which mesh is already verified? Yes, it's for this one. All right, reviewing my footage. Here we go. I hope it doesn't use that old one to try to make the new one because I feel like it wasn't good. I'm going to pause this. We'll come back when it's done and see what it says. All right, well, this thing's just spinning. I'm going to just hit the submit button. Let's see what happens. You ready? Here we go. Submit. Your video is uploading. Okay. We'll wait. I will let you know when it's done. All right, we're 98%. I've been sitting here for a while. Anyway, let's just see what happens. I want to see it with you the moment we get to 100%. Is it going to be great? Is anything exciting going to happen? It's 100%. The video's uploaded. Your avatar look is being created. Okay, fine. Ready in a few minutes. We'll notify you via email. So this is the old one, and this is the new one. Can I rename this? I would like to rename this as old. There we go. Save changes. As a quick reminder, this is what it sounded like.
Hey, Chris Stanchak, your digital twin is
Hey, Chris Stanchak. That's not what I sound like.
ready. Try creating video.
I mean, maybe that's what I sound like a little bit, but
Hey, Chris Stanchak.
hey, Chris Stanchak. Anyway, let's let this one process and we'll come back. All right, we'll be back. All right, it's done. So here we go. All right, it just came in. So again, let's replay the old one before upgrading.
Hey, Chris Stanchak, your
Hey,
digital
Chris-
twin is ready.
That doesn't sound like me.
Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy.
All right, and let's try the new one. No promises here. This is going to be great. I might have to tweak it a little bit, but let's just see.
Hey, Chris Stanchak, your digital twin is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy.
That's much better. I think this is much better. All right, let's go next. Personalized video, blah, blah, blah. Got it. All right, let's play it one more time.
Hey, Chris Stanchak, your digital twin is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy. Hola, ¿qué se está?
All right, let's create with the studio. So I thought that was good. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy this script I had here. This time I won't have the restriction on length. Let's paste that sucker in there. And I could take the background away. That's fun. All right, we'll mess with all that later. All right, here we go. Wait, actually, let me preview, see what it does. So it's like rendering it for the preview.
Hey, what's up, founders? Chris here from Stanford Labs. Today, I'm testing something that could completely change how we think about content creation and scaling our personal brands. I've been experimenting with AI avatars, and honestly, the results are pretty wild.
All right, it's pretty good. So I'm going to make this stand force because it's doing it as one word, or it's just not pronouncing it properly. I could probably tweak some of this stuff. Volume, original accent, advanced settings. I'll just let it do its thing. All right, we're going to generate. Let's see how it looks. This should be 4K, I believe. Let's see. Oh, no. Okay, let's see. video intro V2. This time 4K. Let's do it 30 FPS. MP4. This will use 42 seconds of my avatar. I will have 10 minutes remaining. That's cool. Oh, no, I don't want your watermark. Let's remove that. And submit. All right, now it's got to generate this. We'll look at it as soon as it's done. I'm going to pause right now, and I'll be back when it's ready. It took 12 minutes for this thing to record, or for it to render. So let's see. Hopefully we have really good results. I'm hopeful. It's a 42-second intro, so let's see how it goes. Here we go. Playing it now. Should be 4K. It should sound like me more than the other one, so let's see.
Hey, what's up, founders? Chris here from Standforce Labs. Today I'm testing something that could completely change how we think about content creation and scaling our personal brands. I've been experimenting with AI avatars, and honestly, the results are pretty
I like it. It sounds pretty good.
wild. We're talking about the ability to create authentic-looking content without being on camera 24/7, which for busy founders could be a game changer. But here's the thing. I want to show you exactly how good this tech has gotten, and more importantly, whether it's actually worth your time and money as a founder trying to scale. So I'm going to let you in on a little secret, and then we'll dive into the full experiment, the costs, the setup process, and whether this is something you should be thinking about for your business. Let's get into it.
All right. I think it's awesome. This is great. It's a little pricey, like $70 to get to the 4K version, but not bad. I would definitely use it. There's a lot more you could do. There's these options in voice here that I didn't get into before, where you can pick what engine you use. I think that's the 11 Labs engine. The Panda one, when I was messing with it before, sounded more like me. But either way, it's really cool. I think it's great. There's a lot of options in here. And then you can also, somewhere I saw you can create like stills using your avatar that you've created. Yeah, it looks really neat. Anyway, I think this is a step forward. Hopefully you guys like it as well. If you want, I actually have this here now. I can give you this code. I'm going to stick that. We'll both get 10 credits. Oh, no. I'll get 10 credits when they sign up, and we both get 300 if they subscribe. So there we go. So I'll give you the link. It'll give you 300 credits if you sign up with a paid subscription. Hold on, let me make sure that's what it says. Both of you. Yeah, so I get 10 if you sign up, but if you pay, then we both get 300. So basically, it's good for everybody. Hopefully, you enjoyed this. Just a quick look at it. I think it's living up to the hype a little bit. And yeah, I think it's a worthwhile tool. And I think we're like one more version out before we don't really need people like me talking anymore, but you still need the creative edge. Anyhow, hope you like this video. Please go ahead and subscribe. Give me a comment, say something, leave me something to answer. And then if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. I just like quickly reviewing things like this all the time. So hopefully you liked it, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks.